On today's episode, I'm gonna talk about what to do as a content creator when you're on the go. If you haven't been following me, my name is Rami Issa. I used to live in Australia. I'm a content creator and now I'm traveling the world. When you're on the go, as you can tell, I don't have a proper studio. I need to improvise to make videos. But the toughest part about making those videos is working exclusively on a laptop. When you edit, usually you would want a massive screen or 2 or even 3 screen setup. And after 3 or 4, actually 6 months of traveling, I've decided to bite the bullet and buy what's it called, portable monitor. And here it is. This is how you get it. And my laptop is a 14.5 inch, so I've decided to get a 16-inch screen, but you can get it in 14-inch, 15.6-inch, and 16-inch. 16 by 10 ratio rather than the normal 16:9, which gives you more vertical real estate, which I love for my timeline. Specification of this is 2.5K, 120Hz, 100% Adobe sRGB, which is gonna give us a good faithful color reproduction. Contrast 1200, that should give us very deep blacks. So let's have a look if it's all real or it's fake. I paid for it 250 Australian dollars. You can get it in Europe for 140 euros as well. Part of me thinks, did I make a mistake getting this size? Because it's gonna be harder to travel with this size. But I really wanted a bigger screen because I'm like getting over it with my laptop to the point where I've actually connected a projector, a portable projector, and started projecting my second screen on the wall, which I love because it's huge. But the downside is obviously lack of clarity. The downsides is that I need to make my room completely dark, which I don't like. And this is a screen. Oh, okay, it's much smaller. It's very light. This is actually the screen inside the cover. So we'll put this aside. The power bank for the screen. I thought we are gonna be able to connect it directly to the USB-C, but I'm not sure about it. So this is an adapter. A USB-C cable, pretty thick. They give you even an HDMI cable. And what is this? Let's open it. A USB-A to USB-C cable. All right, so what we got is the screen inside its protective shell or the cover. It's pretty big, as you can see, pretty light. And oh wow, looks so sleek. Can you have a look at this? Very thin bezels, a little bit thicker at the bottom, but at the side and the top, very thin bezels. And let's do this together. That's joy right there. Don't you love the smell of new electronics when you get them? Don't you love it? All right, and let's remove this sticker because I don't like stickers. So it says if you scan and send the order, they give you 2 years warranty rather than 1. So we will do it later. We'll scan the barcode. We'll do it later. Now let's try and remove it. How do you actually? It's magnetic. So it sits here magnetically, which is pretty cool. It has, I think it's VESA connectors, 2 of them here. So if you want to connect it to an adapter or a mount, you can connect it. And it's quite light. 1 mini HDMI and 2 USB-Cs. So on the other side here, we have a rocker button, a headphone jack out, and a power button. And we have rubber legs at the bottom. Now, can you put it sideways? Unfortunately, this doesn't seem like it will work sideways without any kind of support, because then you'll be clicking the buttons. I want to show you how it looks. I'm pretty impressed so far. So let's connect my laptop and see how it looks, okay? Wow, this is awesome. All right, I'm really excited. This is really good. Now this screen doesn't have the gimmicks of touchscreen. It has a matte screen, so not glossy, which is great. I have a glossy touchscreen on my laptop, which can be a pain in the ass sometimes. It's working just by USB-C cable, feeding it. And I can tell it's actually, and I have a very expensive panel, it's actually a little bit brighter than my panel. The color production is quite really good. The contrast is really good as well. It's a really good screen, I must say. From what I'm seeing, I'm liking. It's very sharp. Obviously my panel is 3K, this is 2.5K, and you can see the subtle differences, but it's really sharp. And guys, I'm impressed. I'm not gonna lie, I'm impressed, and I'm gonna show you right now how it looks. And the response is instantaneous, guys. And I'll show you right now how it looks. This is the screen compared to my laptop. My laptop is a $3,000 Lenovo laptop with high-end screen. And you can see it's a touch screen, so it's glossy, but you can see how when there's a bright light, it's really annoying. And you can see that this doesn't have any problem. And it's quite sharp. And it's instantaneous. If I click the button here, and I want to scrub the mouse here, and 120 hertz, it's really smooth. So, and you can tell it's not much bigger than my laptop screen when you consider everything, because this is 14.5 and this is 16.1. And because of the 16:10 aspect ratio, it's not too long, but it's rather higher, and that makes it more compact, but it's a bit higher, which I love. And for editing, it's perfect. And if I bring this and put the timeline here, you can see how much space you have to work with the timeline. Is just, for me, it's perfect. And if I can show you the color reproduction between this screen and this screen, the high-end Lenovo screen, they look very, very, very close. I dare say almost identical. And this is me and my dad. I'm impressed. Good job. I'm happy with the purchase. I'm very, very happy. If you're a content creator or a person that works remotely or a person that have a second house and works on the computer a lot, on their laptop a lot, or any computer, and you have one monitor, please don't hesitate to go order this one. This is not sponsored by any means. This is not affiliate linking, although I should think about affiliate linking to help me grow my channel. But this is not sponsored. This is a real review. I paid money for this monitor from my own pocket, and I can't recommend it enough. I've ordered another one that is full HD. I should receive it shortly. Maybe I'll do a comparison between them. The price difference is around 40 euros. And once I get it, I'll have a look and see if it's as good as this one or not. But for the 2.5K one, I highly, highly recommend it. Go get it, guys. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Follow me for more videos like this. Follow my journey. Help me grow with you. This is Rami, out. I'll see you in the next video.